Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you how we can add to a Teams meeting poll an image. Until now, it was not possible. Let's just organize a meeting. Let's call the meeting, and I will invite a user, which is called test2. Let's send it, and we will actually wait and edit the meeting, and then we will add a poll. So for the meantime, we're waiting that it's going to load. I'll go into this meeting and edit it. It's just exactly the same thing. So if I click on the plus button, I can choose the poll app. And what we will need to do is just to save it. Now we can create a new poll. We see here some suggestions on the right hand side, but let's click on new poll. We see here 5 possibilities. Let's take the first multiple choice, and we have a question and first option, second option, this we know, but over here we have a possibility to add an image. So I'll click on this and I'll look for my favorite image, which is SharePoint. We also have a possibility here to allow co-host or co-presenter to edit it in a draft. So let's click on draft, and actually when the meeting starts, there will be a question and there will also see an image. Let's see how it is on the different types of poll. Or if we choose a quiz, we see here it's also possible. If we choose word cloud, we can add actually an image. So let's look for something else. Here's Microsoft List, and let's say what app do you like best? And let's save it, and let's go to the next one. We have rating. So you see also for rating, we can add an image. And let's remove this. And the last option, if I'm not mistaken, is the ranking. So the ranking has also a possibility to add an image. So let's add this, and actually let's just launch it. And now when we go to the meeting, besides the questions, we also have an image. In future also we saw it will be possible to add actually for each um, value that you choose actually to put an image. So I'm going to the polls, and this is draft, so I can launch it, and people can understand actually um, the image should be relevant for the poll. So this is this poll, and we have another one, a word um, cloud. So I didn't put a name, but actually I could put here I will say SharePoint, and I will post it, and this is already something that you should know. So try it out and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.